I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're dealing with a pending transfer on T-Mobile, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your account status. Make sure your T-Mobile account is active and in good standing. Log into your T-Mobile account online or through the app to verify. Step 2. Confirm transfer eligibility. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve pending issues. Turn off your device for about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Step 4. Check for pending requests. Look for any pending requests in your T-Mobile account. If there is an existing transfer request, it might be causing the new one to hang. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to T-Mobile customer support for assistance. They can provide specific details about your transfer status and help resolve any issues. Sometimes the support team may need to escalate your issue, so be prepared to wait a little longer if necessary. I hope this guide helps you get your transfer sorted out quickly.